Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to present a topic on action potential. Okay, action potential will controls the activity of neurons in the nervous system. Okay, it is an electrical signal that communicates informations between the cells. Okay, this action potential is very much essential for various physiological processes such as muscle contraction and sensory perception and cognitive functions. Okay, then what is this action potential? This action potential refers to the changes in electrical potential across the cell membrane of a neuron or a muscle cells. Okay, this action potential is a change in electrical potential across the cell membrane. Okay, this occurs when the depolarization exceeds the threshold level. Okay, and the voltage gated ion channels open to allow the influx of positively charged ions into the cell. Okay, this influx causes a rapid and temporary reversal of the resting potential, leading to the propagation of action potential along the length of the neuron. Okay, so action potential is a change in electrical potential across the cell membrane of a neuron or a muscle cell. And stages of action potential. Okay, first stage is resting stage. During the resting phase, the cell maintains a negative charge inside and positive charge outside. Okay, this charge difference is maintained by sodium and potassium pumps on the cell membrane. Okay, then next phase is depolarization phase. Okay, when the stimulus exceeds the threshold level, the voltage gated ion channel on the cell membrane open and it will allow the entry of Na plus ions to the cell. Okay, this entry causes positively charged ion depolarizes the cell and the potential difference across the membrane become positive. Okay, the next phase is repolarization phase. Okay, after depolarization phase, the voltage gated ion channel that will allow the entry of Na plus ion become inactivated and the voltage gated ion channels will allow the exit of K plus ions open. Okay, this will allow the K plus ion, that is potassium ion, to exit the cell. Okay, these lead to the negative charge inside the cell. Okay, this phase is called as repolarization phase. Okay, the next thing is hyperpolarization phase. Okay, in some cells, the K plus channels remain open after repolarization. Okay, this will lead to exit of more K plus ion from the cell and making the potential difference across the membrane more negative than the resting phase. Okay, this phase is called hyperpolarization. Okay, and is refractory to further action potential. Propagation of action potential. Okay, once the depolarization reaches the threshold level, the action potential propagates along the axon of the neuron. It occurs due to the opening of voltage gated ion channels that are located along the axon. Depolarization at one side of the axon triggers the opening of ion channels in the adjacent site. Okay, this will lead to propagation of action potential. Okay, the propagation, the speed will depends on the diameter of a neuron and the presence of myelin sheath, okay, the outer covering of the neuron. The action potential is a crucial process. This one will allow the propagation of electrical signals between the cells. Okay, the next concept is Nernst equation. Okay, this Nernst equation is an equation that relates the concentration of ions in a solution to the voltage or potential difference between the two electrodes at different chemical potential. Okay, the Nernst equation for a half cell reaction is given by A is equal to E0 minus RT by NF ln of Q. Here E is equal to electrode potential, E0 is equal to standard electrode potential, R is equal to gas constant, T is equal to temperature in Kelvin, and N is equal to number of electrons. Then F is equal to Faraday's constant, Q is the reaction quotient. Nernst equation plays an important role in electrochemistry and it is used to determine the cell potential of a reaction. It is also used in various fields of biology, physiology and environmental studies. The next concept is Goldman equation. This Goldman equation is also known as Goldman-Hodgkin-Katz equation. It is used for calculating the resting membrane potential and action potential of the cell. Here Goldman equation is given by Vm is membrane potential, then R is universal gas constant, T is temperature, F is Faraday's constant, P is permeability of the membrane to each ion, then extracellular concentration of each ion is ion O, that is outside, then ion inside means intracellular concentration of each ion. This Goldman equation is important for understanding how the cells are generating and transmitting their electrical signals. Then it also plays a major role in osmoregulation, pH regulation and ion homeostasis. Thank you all.